Find an equation of the ellipse that has center 1, -3, a major axis of length 12, and endpoint of minor axis 5, -3. Let me plot the center first to try to sketch this out first, okay? So center is at 1, -3. So go 1 to the right, down 3, plot that center. Now, they did say that the major axis has a length of 12. I don't know yet which direction we should go. Should we go right, left, or up, down? So skip this for right now. Let's look at the second clue. The end point of minor axis is 5, -3. I'm going to plot that, okay? So 5 to the right, down 3. So I'm going to plot 5 to the right, down 3. So that is going to be the end point of a minor axis. I think I have enough clue to figure out how long this minor axis will be. Take a look, okay? So we went how many to the right from the center? So we went 1, 2, 3, 4 to the right from the center to plot this one endpoint. We're going to do the same thing to the other side. So let's go 4 to the left. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. So we know the other endpoint must be over here. So we got the minor axis sketched perfectly, okay? Now let's go use that major axis clue, okay? So I'm gonna zoom out. So we are done with these clues. So we use the endpoint of minor axis, we use the center, but the last clue that I have is that the major axis has a length of 12. So what does that mean? We're not going to go right or left anymore because the minor axis is the one that's going right or left. So we're going to go up, down. But if it needs to have a length of 12, we just need to go halfway up and halfway down. So we will go up 6 and down 6 so that the entire length can add up to 12. So look, I'm going to go back to my circle or ellipse and go up 6. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's going to be the first endpoint of the major axis. And I need to go down 6 too. Let me go down 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the second endpoint, the other endpoint of the major axis is down here. And I'm going to try to sketch an ellipse that goes through these 4 points. And we are done graphing this ellipse. Now, well, they do want us to find an equation for this, right? So let's try to write the equation of this ellipse that we just graphed, okay? If you go to the note part, now we're looking at a vertical ellipse, right? This is longer up and down, okay? So I will show you the equation for the vertical major axis case. So I'm gonna copy that down here, okay? Copy it here. Let's try to write the equation. The number being subtracted from x, okay, these are going to be our centers, okay, and y. So the first one, I'm going to draw the fraction and say x minus what number? The x coordinate of the center. So x minus 1 squared. Now, how many did we go up or down from the center? I'm sorry, x is about going right or left, right? So how many did we go to the right or left? Well, we went 4, right? We went 4 to the right and 4 to the left to have that minor axis sketched. So we're going to say the denominator will be 4 squared for that first fraction. Next, on the numerator, we need to write y minus the y coordinate of the center. Well, I was going to write y minus -3, but we can change that to y plus 3 squared. And now in the denominator, we need to square the half of the length of the major axis squared. So remember, we went up 6 and down 6 to plot the endpoints of the major axis. So denominator will be 6 squared. And all that equals 1. So the answer is going to be x minus 1 squared over 16 plus y plus 3 squared over 36 equals 1.